the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk the guy, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
Yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah,
'Cause you burn with the brightest flame,
yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. And you're never gonna know if you never even try.
Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're
Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame.
be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion.
Walls of the Hall of Fame.
Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions.
Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong hanging on your chest.
You can be the world, you can be the wall. You can talk your child, go banging on his wall. You can fight.
Alright, Mechtogon Masters. Tonight we're finally gonna draw one of the best Mechtogon from the series. Tonight we're gonna draw Accelerak, TriStar's Mechtogon partner and ally. He's fast, clear, and relies on high speeds. Wow, this guy's easy to draw.
Cruising through the street, so cool and sleek. Watch it turn and glide. Long and green, it's a lizard machine. It's the ultimate ride. Climbing up walls and scaling up buildings. It's so extreme, can dive down deep and move underwater. It's a lizard's dream. ever seen.
Jump into the water and he's ready to go. Swimming so fast after Romeo. He may be the youngest behind the wheel, but no one looks cooler in the Gecko-mobile.
Get out of the way, shoots a strong spray. This car can do anything. Whip its tail and peel out of sight. It can go where you've never been. It's the Gecko-mobile. The Gecko-mobile. Long and green, it's the coolest machine that you've ever seen. Oh, Gecko-mobile.
Here's his fate. Here we are. There we are. There we are. There we are. That is how you draw accelerak. Screw this minute. I've almost forgot this piece here. And I think that's it. That's how you draw him. One of the fastest mechtogon in existence. Finally comes to my page. To learn more about accelerak, you can check out the playlist, and I promise I'll get to more like this real soon. That's a promise. Good night, guys.